Actually, I'm coming from the YouTube channel. Our subscriber have given me a small task, that is smear swap me.
I don't know if you guys caught that, but they're apparently a prank group. One of their subscribers had given them a task where they have to find a cute girl and the girl has to either kiss them or slap them. Shagufta, what did you do? Hey guys, welcome to the video. This weekend's adventure, we're off to Kailasagiri. Kailasagiri is one of the most visited places of Vizag. Every year there's a lot of footfall that happens in Kailasagiri. A lot of tourists do visit the place, but then again, you've not seen Kailasagiri till you've seen it through our eyes. So tag along in this video and we'll show you how to have fun even in Kailasagiri. The time is around 11 AM and as you guys can see, there's a lot of crowd. The ticket costs 150 per person. Always carry cash. You can see this is the path. So we're on our way to the top and you can see this is a glimpse of the city. Anybody who hasn't been here, this is what Vizag looks like.
He wants to start his own YouTube channel. What is it going to be? Gaming. To play games or how to make games? Oh, so you know coding? No? From right hand to left.
No.
Chalo, how is it?
It's very bad.
So we meet another YouTuber.
Hi.
Their channel is
Kakinada Crazy Boy YouTube channel.
okay, so please do subscribe to their channel as well because I'm sure they're going to subscribe to ours.
Actually, I'm coming from the YouTube channel. Our subscriber have given me a small task, that is smear swap. Yeah, slap. Okay.
So yeah, to any of the lady subscribers, please be wary. Such people do exist. This is the train that takes you around entire Kailasagiri Hill. You have to pay non-AC adult is 100 rupees and AC adult is 150. We have taken the non-AC adults. We have to tell you guys, getting into this train is similar to getting into Mumbai railways. Seriously, you have to bust your way through people and people keep fighting for the seats. Though the tickets clearly mention the seat number and it's clearly mentioned here, but still people want to fight for the seats. So when you guys do come here, please be careful about this. We've already been waiting for 20 minutes, so I guess we're going to wait at least another half an hour before we get a ride. So like I told you guys, if you are coming to Kailasagiri, please check the time of day because then you'll be stuck like this. So we went on a train ride, we did trampoline, bungee jumping.
That was crazy.
We seen the viewpoints and we went on a horse ride, that's right. So if you do come to Kailasagiri, you need to check out these activities because apart from the viewpoints, there are some activities that you can do. So do check these activities out. My suggestion to you guys is, it gets sunny here. Check which time of the day you'll come. I think it'll be better if you come in the evening because you get a nice sunset view. The viewpoints are really nice, as you guys have seen. One more tip that we need to give you guys is, if you do go to Kailasagiri and if you go on the toy train ride, make sure to sit on the right side of the carriage because the train is going to take you around the hill. Alright, so if you sit on the left side of the carriage, you will not get a view of the city.
So while you're taking ticket, just tell them the price side, seat number.
Well, that's it guys, that was the video for this weekend and I hope you guys had fun. Please do like, share and subscribe, and as always, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye guys.
Yeah, please subscribe guys.